Okay, now I have already implemented the chatbot in my application. I will show you chatbot in the application and then I will show the code. So once I sign in, so I have a button here, QnA. Go here. Then you see the chatbot is there. Ask some questions like program language. Actually, these are the questions related to the scholarship. Right. So these are answers actually coming from our knowledge base. So the question and answer you feed there. You say hi, and yeah, you fulfill this requirement, you can again apply for track. For scholarship have multiple tracks, so we can say, can I apply? Just want to ask if I can apply in multiple tracks. Where say applicant must choose their preferred track, cannot apply one. So these are the questions, and then you can get some answers from there and you can feed some more. Okay, so now I will show you how I have connected this chatbot. It's very simple, just using an I. This is actually just simple iframe. So first thing you have to go to your application here. I mean the web app resource, and then inside the channels. Maybe I will show you from the start. You can go here, and then inside your channels, you can click on in WebChat. You can click edit, and then you have to use this key. Your key. You just need to use this one, and the iframe. The iframe I'm not using this one. I'm using in another way. I will show you how. So now in my application, I have this QnA.html page, uh, which is this page. So it's very simple. I just have an iframe here, and then with the width and the height, and I set it here. And the main thing is actually done in the JavaScript. So first uh, we have to call the bot framework API to get the token, and then in the header request header we need to pass the authentication key. So the key is the same key, the one we copy from the advertisement. So you have I'm using I'm passing it from my config file. You can use anyway to pass it. So and then once you hit this API and get the token, so then you need to build this URL. So this URL is actually just bot framework URL with together with your bot name, also the token. Get it from here. So once you have the URL, you have the JavaScript. It just setting this URL to the source. So once you set this, your WebChat will be embedded in your application. Yeah, that's all. Thank you very much.